market selling off. We'll see what we could add to the portfolio in the next few months. Trade a little bit of the micros, or I swung that, was able to close that today. IWM, that one's slower. We put that on a couple days ago. We're up a little bit on it. Down on QQQ, these are the short-term contracts that expire by the end of the day. And then Tesla. We were up pretty decent on Tesla yesterday. Yeah, it was doing well. We're down $48 on it on the day. Overall, we're up $4. So, yesterday we were up around $50 on the overall trade, and then Tesla.
Dang, bro, that thing volatile as a mug.
Look at the sell-off that we experienced today on Tesla.
Yeah.
So that's kind of
healthy though, because it looked. When did we put it on though?
We put it on. Let's see, we had it on for 21 days. So we put this on exactly 3 weeks ago.
3 weeks ago. So what's that time chart you're looking at? What's the scale? Are there every bar on that a day or like half a day or what?
On this on the chart right here.
Yeah, the Tesla.
Each candlestick is a day. We're in the daily chart.
We pretty up it. Then
we got long at a decent spot, I think.
Yeah, it looked like.
Here, look, I can look at the exact date we got in. We got in Tesla 8/16, so August 16th. Yeah, we got in right here.
Okay. I feel like we should do good. Like it's rallying. That looked like a healthy correction. After a gap up.
Yeah, are we just does that look like a healthy correction, or are we just?
It looks scary, bro. But like,
it said look like a healthy correction.
It looks scary, but on the upside,
one day.
On the upside is closing the gap up. That's the upside, right?
Yeah, that's true. But no, we got a little bit more time here. We got 42 days to expiration, so
no, we got a lot of time in there.
We'll see what happens in there. But other than that, I don't know if you saw anything about U.S. Steel, bro. But this was me and Terrell's position while we were live on stream like last Wednesday. U.S. Steel, there was a deal that collapsed. One thing that I did, so let me open up this chain so it shows us exactly where we started off, the adjustments we made, and then now where we're at. So you can see right here, it says August 19th. This is the option. It says August 19th. We sold put spread and we sold a call spread, creating a strangle, which again, just to reiterate, a strangle is the same thing as an iron condor, except with the strangle, we didn't buy the extra wings on the outside, which makes it a defined risk strategy. So we did an undefined risk strategy, sold the strangle, we collected $1, so our max profit is $100. Yesterday, I rolled the calls down, so I shrunk the range a little bit, and I'm going to show why I shrunk it. I think it makes sense. I think you might agree with it. But I made an adjustment yesterday, pulled the call side down a little bit, and then I collected an additional $1.05 of credit. I collected more just on rolling that position than I collected on initial order entry. So our max profit has now went up to $205 because of that roll. So I was able to roll for a credit, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did with that real quick. So we had on the 49 calls, and now I rolled them down to the 42 calls. So originally, this is what we had, right? The stock price is all the way over here, right? We're pretty close to touching our put side. So it made a little bit of sense. Not only that, we're way outside the expected move, which is this highlighted area right here for this time duration. Not only that, this blue dashed line, it signifies a 1 standard deviation move from where this current stock price is sitting. So I'm like, this thing would need to have a massive move, and the probabilities are just not in its favor for it to actually come all the way back up here and test our call side. So I was like, okay, it makes sense. Yeah. If we can collect the credit, let's roll these calls down, if it makes sense. And all it's doing is just changing where our call strike is. We're not changing the time duration or anything like that. We're just rolling that call down. So we rolled it down from 49 all the way down to 42. And because we did that, we collected an additional $1.05 of credit. So it also widens our break even, right? We have $205 in max profit. And then we know to get our break evens, we add the credit that we received on the trade, and then we add it to the call strike that we sold, and then you subtract it from the call strike that you sold on the put side as well. But anyways,
a few moments later.
Oh, steel just got halted, bro.
Did it actually?
Hold on. Yeah. What the hell? It's actually halted. Hold on. Bro, what is going on here?
Is that the 1.2?
What is that?
Are you 1 minute or what are you on?
Yeah, I am. This got halted 5 minutes ago at 1:42 p.m. Or I forget it's 11:42 for you.
You see.
Yo, what is going on, man? That's not that good. Let's see. So we have our put strike at the 33.
Mhm.
This dashed line is where our put is sitting, but our break. Brandon said, "Holy shit!" I know. That's crazy. This just happened on stream. This thing is halted.
stream.
It's so rare for this to be halted.
I know it's kind of random too. I'm kind of.
It's not like it's a small cap or a penny stock. Those get
Mhm.
halted all day because of the volatility.
Yeah.
But for this to get halted, that's wild. Steel.
Yeah, I don't know what's wrong with my platform too right now, but mine is not showing this.
All good. Let's see if it's gonna pop up right here in this news tab. But anyways, so we sold the 33 strike. We collected $2 of credit, so we have about around $31 where our break even will be sitting at.
Mhm.
Yeah, weird things afoot with X.
US Steel warns Nippon deal failure would put thousands of jobs at risk. Deals.
Yo, it just opened back up. What
Merger.
the heck, bro? This just opened back up.
It isn't like there's any news that should be making it.
This is
way.
insane.
The steel employees
Bro,
rally.
doing this, bro, on stream is crazy. Look at that, bro.
Oh, brother.
We're already at our break even. We
US
actually
Steel.
might have to cut this.
It is, yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. That's the odds, bro. What are the freaking odds? That's so
What is going on? What?
bad. US Steel. I'm gonna look and see if I can find some news on this.
This is our break even right there. Bro. Brandon, current thoughts on this? In position, check out the news. Pittsburgh is making deals.
Check out the news. Pittsburgh's making deals. Oh. Oh. Was that why you brought up Pittsburgh earlier, or were you talking about the actual football team? Because I know you said
Pittsburgh Steelers.
I didn't know if you was joking.
Wait, what does this tab say right there?
What does what say?
Oh, I thought you were pulling something up. Going to close a plant.
Oh yeah, I can pull something up.
No, I was just saying, what did you see about Pittsburgh? Did you look that up or something?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh
This
my
came out-
gosh. There's a deal that had collapsed. Anyways, we're recovering
This
a little
makes
bit on that,
sense, bro. If you've been paying, I've been hearing about the steel stuff, bro.
It's
Like,
just crazy to see something like U.S. Steel move like that, and it was halted twice to the downside.
it makes sense, bro. All right, China is apparently like the number one producer of steel right now, and they produce so much excess that they're like flooding the market. So like, this American steel is just like trading for way too much for the price you could get it for from China. So yeah, this collapse actually like makes sense with the narratives that have been leading up to it. Like, yeah,
No, I hear you.
This has been like a scary position to be in for the last couple of weeks.
I hear you, bro. I hear you. And I happen to be in it. Volatile one, ended up getting out of that, but other than, I like to show you the order flow charts sometime. We got NASDAQ market right here. We were looking at some of these levels from over the past few days. If I can zoom out a little. Oops. Oh, messed up the scaling. There we go. When was this selling again? This took place, Tuesday of this week. We had a really aggressive sell-off straight through this liquidity zone. Popped up there a couple times, sold off, popped up there yesterday morning, sold off, held a little bit. This morning, I think off of the 8:30 news, we had a little bit of that rally and then just sold straight off again. So, I mean, the market's been so volatile to the downside. It's kind of nice to see some sustained selling. Again, until back to 2012.
I like Intel's along though. Once you like find some,
See what some of those puts in Intel are going for. INC. Earnings October 24th. We could do 42-day cycle. Sell a 17 put in there. What are we doing in here in INTC? Chukka?
I'm waiting for it to like stall out somewhere. Then I'm gonna long it. But for like little positioning now, yeah, maybe short up put. Wait, can it really get much worse?
Can it get much worse?
Yeah, right.
Those are the magic words, brother.
I'm gonna take my chances.
Now, I'll be a little patient for this. I mean, at the
Ain't no
expect
rush,
we
bro.
could like
Ain't
60
no
cents. Yeah.